Good. Good evening from Jet Fox. How is everyone today? And I have got a brand new futon bed for my random fox, obviously, when he stays and when our guests around. And this is the old bed. The old chair and the other bed have gone to that mum dad's house, so I was going to put this one away. It's like a spare mattress, isn't it? What I'll do is I'll put it in the box, I'll put the box in the other room, and what I'll do is I'll put that in the lock tomorrow when a boyfriend comes here. Yay! Let's put this back in there. Like that can go in there out of the way. I'll put that there for now. That's out of the way, kinda. And my boyfriend Random Fox is coming tomorrow. Yay! He's coming to stay, so I'll just move you over there, Mr. Wadded. Here's the futon bed. I'll drag it very carefully. Very, very carefully. Very carefully. What I'll do, I'll take that off for a second. I'm going to do this very carefully. Let's see. It lays out like this. Like that. Let's see. So it goes like that, and it's like this, I think. That goes up like this because its head facing outwards. And then this bit goes there. On top. Well, that looks good. Got to careful with that trip now. Oh yeah. Let's see, I can move it that way a bit more. All four to you. That's better. Good. And I'll just get the things to put on there. They're in here. Okay, I'll put this on so you can actually see me. I'm over here. Let's see the right bedding for my random fox. Let's see. There's this one. What's that one? Yeah. Oh, no, there. Yeah, I've got that one. I've got a pillow. Got a pillow for rent, the fox there. And let's see, where did I put all the bedding? That's the bedding for my other bed. It is a single mattress. Just a single one for this bit. And that's how to make a bed in a fursuit. Now there's a blue blanket still there. There's blue blanket. Let's take a pause off this. There. Now where is this? I don't know where it is. It's in there somewhere. Right. Hello. Hello, where are you? There you are. Oh, I'll put my paws back on. Well, I might have to take my paws off. I might have to take my paws off just to make the actual thing. So what I'll do is, I'll put my paws there for a second. I know that ruins the magic a little bit, but I've got to get the bed ready for my guest. And make sure it's the right way up. That's upside down, put that way up. There she is. And this is how to make a bed in fursuit, which is not too hard. This is my first time doing a bed in an actual suit. That's the first time for everything, they say. Because, of course, random fox sleeps in here. So I'll make it all nice for him when he comes. So nothing so much here. And if anyone asks why we don't sleep in the same bed, it's because not all couples do, and because we find it more nicer to sleep in our own beds. That's really good. That's all good. Wow, this is a really good day. I'm sure random folks going up this. I'll just spread this one. This used to belong to random folks. They gave it to me, so I was like, yay! I'll use that. Hey. Oh my goodness. You guys can't get 100 first, you know. Because I don't. Let's see. I think that's looking alright. I drew well in fursuit. So there you go. There you go. And there you go, nice comfy futon bed, ready for random fox when he comes to stay. And there you go. I'll put my paws back on. Sorry I ruined the magic by that way, but sometimes you just gotta have no paws. Of course. And there you go. And that's how to make get the futon bed ready in fursuit. Ready for when you have your guest or your boyfriend staying or your girlfriend staying or whoever you want to stay. The futon is really good. I got this from argos.co.uk. It's about £115. It's really good value. It comes in chocolate, colourful chocolate, bright green, grey, black or red. I chose chocolate colour because that goes with the room. And the result is one comfy bed. And that's just one of the things. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you later. Watch out for more videos these coming 2 weeks. Because more videos with random folks and our special friend Anthony Wolf's going to come back. So watch out for those videos, everybody. See you soon. Ciao for now. I love you, random folks. Here's your bed ready. Bye-bye.